Are you looking for a way to give your Threads app a fresh new look? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of enabling dark mode on the Threads app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. So the thing is that, there is no option to enable dark mode within the Threads app itself. But there is a quick and easy workaround for that. To get started, exit the Threads app and open up the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down a bit and tap Display and Brightness. After that, under Appearance, if you have the light mode enabled, then switch it to the dark mode. By switching the system appearance to dark mode, it will make the interface of the Threads app dark. If you want to change it, then go back to Settings and select the light mode. That will make the app's interface light. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.